Assalamualaikum. My name is Talha Farooq and I am a student of Biomedical Engineering UET Lahore Narwal campus. So I have designed a IR-based fire alarm and detection system in which the components I have used are a DC buzzer, IR receiver LED, and a BC547 transistor along with a simple LED and a DC source of 9 volt. Now I will explain the basic connection of this circuit. So the infrared receiver LED anode is connected to the base of the transistor and the cathode goes to the positive rail through the 220 ohm resistor, and the emitter of BC547 is connected to negative rail. Collector is connected to one end of buzzer and LED. The other end of LED and buzzer goes to the positive 9 volt rail, and jumper wires are used for the connection. So this switch works as the circuit behaves as a amplification and switching circuit in which when the IR receiver detects an radiation, the transistor acts as on switch and the buzzer and LED gets on. Now we will demonstrate our circuit. So as you have seen the demonstration, when the IR receiver receives the infrared radiation or any flame, it generates a small current at the base of transistor, and after amplification by the transistor, the transistor allows a large current to flow from the collector to emitter, due to which the buzzer and the LED glows out. So here is a calculation table of our circuit in which all the voltages and currents are given. So you can observe it from here to a total mechanism. So its application in biomedical engineering are that it can be used in hospital fire safety systems, protection of biomedical equipments, and in a ICU and operation theater there are several oxygen cylinders which are sensitive to the flame. So this IR based circuit can be used to enhance the safety in the medical department. So now the limitation of these circuits are that it is not suitable for detecting any kind of smoke or high temperature, and it also has a limited range of detection. It depends upon distance.